I'm Terry Ord from the Evolution and Ecology Research Centre at the University of New South Wales in Sydney. Do you teach animal behaviour to undergraduates in some capacity? Perhaps it's a course in ethology or animal behaviour, behavioural ecology or sensory ecology, any flavour of animal behaviour. This free education resource could be for you. It is a non-fiction graphic textbook, if you will, that is designed to provide the essentials for any undergraduate student to learn about animal behaviour. It could be used to complement an existing textbook that you might be using, or it could be used to replace that textbook. And I'll give some reasons for why you should think about doing that in just a moment. So the work can be used collectively as a textbook in itself. Each of the 10 chapters is available as a standalone volume so that you can actually mix and match depending on the topic that you would like to embed in your course. It's free. The QR code up on the screen here will get you to the main landing page. Why would you consider using this graphic textbook over a traditional textbook? First of all, this is a graphic novel. It's not a comic and it's not a gimmick. Each of those chapters comes fully referenced. It also comes with a glossary of terms and jargon, and also mini biographies of the scientists featured in each of the chapters. And it's free. Students will frequently report that reading a traditional textbook is quite dull. The content is hard to recall as a consequence. The sheer volume of information that's usually presented in a textbook can be intimidating itself, as well as being distracting to students, distracting students away from those essentials. Students are more used to accessing visually based focused content online, and textbooks are extremely expensive. This graphic textbook is free. The narrative structure that is inherent in a graphic novel format fosters student engagement. The snippets of information supported by illustration, we know, avoids cognitive overload. It helps focus students on the essentials and aids retention as a consequence of that. The visual text storyboard delivery is also more closely aligned with the content that students are typically accessing outside of an education setting as well. The concepts in understanding animal behaviour is conveyed through origin stories, often through the discovery stories of living scientists. And again, Understanding Animal Behaviour, which is a free graphic textbook, is available to you through that QR code. Scan it, go to the download page, pick which chapters might work for you, and go ahead and use the resource.